Hi guys. Today we will learn how to convert Excel file to PDF in Microsoft Excel itself. So I have this Excel file. This is having some list of a calculation which I need as a PDF file. Go to File. Then Save As. Just locate the place you want to save the PDF. Renaming it. And finally save as type. Chose PDF format. Finally save. And yes, as you can see that the Excel has converted to PDF within some seconds using Microsoft Excel. This is the simplest way to turn your Excel file to PDF just in a few seconds without any external software. Hope you liked the video and also subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.